Before you listen, here's what you will learn. In this story, you will practice simple past tense workplace vocabulary like office, desk, manager, break, and feeling words such as nervous, worried, calm, and relieved. Stay until the end to hear how English talks about new beginnings at work. On Monday morning, a man started a new job. He woke up early and got dressed carefully. His hands felt cold and his stomach felt tight. He felt nervous, but he did not show it. When he arrived at the office, everything looked new. The building was big. People walked quickly and talked to each other. The man held his bag tightly and looked around. A woman at the front desk smiled and said, "Good morning." He smiled back and said, "Good morning," but his voice was quiet. His manager showed him his desk and explained his work. The man listened carefully. Some words were hard to understand. He nodded and tried to stay calm, but his heart beat fast. During the morning, he made a small mistake. He sent the wrong file to a coworker. His face felt warm and he felt worried. Then something kind happened. A co-worker came to his desk and said, "It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes on the first day. Let me help you." The man felt relief. He smiled and said, "Thank you." At lunch, the co-worker invited him to sit together. They talked about work and daily life. The man began to relax. The office did not feel so scary anymore. At the end of the day, he walked out of the building feeling tired but proud. His first day was not perfect, but it was okay. He learned an important lesson. New beginnings can feel scary, but with time and kindness, they become easier. And every first day is a step forward.